What I like most about the Feliciano School of Business is really the opportunity that it provided me, and it provides all other students, right? It's a center where you could come in, you can network, you can learn with each other, which is gonna uncover the possibilities of what your tomorrow could look like. Some of the best things about the hospitality major, first and foremost, is people, right? I'm a people person. I love to talk to different people. So the people aspect of it is fantastic. But the other two elements of it are the trajectory in which it could send you, right? There's so many different avenues within the hospitality business that you might not be thinking of currently, but that could, again, be part of what your journey tomorrow looks like. We did a course when I was here that was an offsite course held at the Hyatt in Morristown. It gave me the fundamentals to be successful tomorrow, right? So learning different elements of the industry, what drives the business forward, and again, what I could bring to a company after I was done with the class was instrumental. A student should pursue a career in hospitality if it's something that they're passionate about. And I tell people this all the time. If you're passionate about the hospitality industry and you're passionate about being a people person, then do what you love. And this is a perfect industry for doing that. It gives you, like I said, so many different opportunities and avenues to go down that it's a perfect industry for somebody that's a people person and wanting to get out there.